This is another good example of the payroll processing. In this, what we're gonna get in a company, how many employees are there, and for each employee, if we have to find among employees who is having the highest salary and how many days he worked and how many days got absent, I mean got delayed. So all those details we will be needing. So here we requested for the user input, enter the number of employees that got stored in N. Why we added int? Because by default it will be in a string format, a string where it will be a string. So we will have to convert as it is a number. So we'll have to convert a string to int. So that I have converted. Defined all the parameters and all the variables. Then we go for range option. That number of employees in a company. So we'll go with that range. We have mentioned that n variable because that value got stored in. And then we'll fetch for the employee details, right? So I plus 1, it will keep incrementing. Then we'll request for the name, salary, days present, late days, whatever the data we need to get the highest salary and the name. And then we'll have to calculate the gross salary per day into days present multiplied, and then we'll get the gross salary. Now certain rules will be also there. If late days less than equal to 2, then in that case 0 deductions. If it is less than equal to 5, then in that case that 5% deduction will be applicable. Likewise, multiple conditions are there, 3-4 conditions. Then if it is less than 10 days, less than equal to 10 days, then 10%. And if nothing is there, then in that case 20% will be applicable, right? So that if an else condition done, then we go for final salary. So whatever the deductions applicable, those will be deducted from the gross salary. Once that deduction is done, then we'll above we have already specified one dictionary variable employees. So we'll add, will align those parameters like gross salary deduction. These are keys and these are values, right? The left one which are in double quotes, these are the keys. So for the gross salary, we'll specify all the parameters for the gross salary. The gross salary is the value. Deductions, whatever we got from the deduction, that will be mentioned. The final salary, which we already got here. So everything is mentioned here, and the total payroll need to be calculated. So for the total payroll, that final salary will be calculated, and that total payroll value is also defined, right? 0. So it will keep incrementing, it will keep adding, and the total payroll will be populated. Now we'll have to which employee is having the highest salary and the lowest salary, that also we need to calculate basis of the requirement. So we'll have to specify the parameter of the final salary, which we got from here above after deduction. So if the final salary is greater than the highest salary, that also we have specified on the top, that is 0. So obviously it will be greater than 0. So that highest salary, that final salary what we got above, that will be assigned to high salary, and the name will be also assigned that which employee is having the highest salary, right? And the same for the lowest salary as well. So we've got the name for the the highest salary and the lowest one. So there again we'll have to put the print statement to generate the report. These are just decoration parameters, you can say, like how many times this value has to be populated, right? How many times it has got printed. So all those decoration will be done. Then print all those numbers, gross, deductions, and final salary. All this decoration will be also done. There is no variable as of now, just a decoration purpose, it has all added. Then we go with dictionary variable using for loop, that name and details which we want to fetch, we have already assigned above. Those details will be fetched, right? Like name, details, employee dot items. When we specify items, meaning it will be fetching the overall dictionary key and value, right? So those all the things we have already specified here. And once we got all this value, again we print all the data, the highest salary, lowest salary, total company payroll, and employee maximum, who is having the highest salary. So all the parameters will be covered. So I think you got the clarity about this. If you have any question, you can put in the comment section. And that's all. If you haven't followed my channel, please follow and keep asking questions. Thank you very much.